Hey guys, Dobby back at you with another story. A guy in his 20s hauled in a massive bag of laundry into a busy laundromat on a Sunday afternoon. He loaded two machines, slammed in the quarters, and sat down to scroll on his phone while waiting. About 20 minutes in, one of those washers started making a horrible thunk, thunk, thunk noise like it was trying to break dance. Then it started vibrating so hard the whole row of machines was shaking. Everyone in the place looked over. He jumped, opened the lid, and discovered he'd accidentally thrown in his brand new pair of heavy steel-toed work boots along with his clothes. They were tumbling around like wrecking balls, beating the crap out of everything inside. Water was sloshing everywhere. One of his favorite hoodies now had a suspicious new rip, and the boots themselves looked like they'd been through a war. The entire laundromat went quiet for a second, then someone in the back started slow clapping while trying not to laugh. The poor guy had to fish everything out, sopping wet, rewash half the load in a different machine, and spent the next hours explaining to curious strangers that no, I don't normally wash my boots with my delicates. Moral of the story, always triple check the hamper before you leave the house. Phones, boots, and random toys have their way of sneaking in and turning laundry day into a comedy show. Laundromats are comedy gold. People have watched everything from dead bats to full diapers by accident. That'd be crazy. Washing a dead bat. What the heck are people doing? Anyways, thanks for listening, guys, and putting up with my speech impediments and my Shatner-esque pauses. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Whatever floats your boat. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.